Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Prosan Study IQ. Today we are going to discuss the question answers for the prose the Missile Man of India. देखो पिलाने आज आम दी मिसाइल मैन ऑफ इंडिया रो क्वेश्चन आंसर को डिस्कशन करियो। फर्स्ट देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु वाज डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम। तो तार आंसर इज डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम वाज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट डिस्टिंग्विश्ड साइंटिस्ट ऑफ इंडिया। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाई इज डॉक्टर कलाम नोन एज द मिसाइल मैन ऑफ इंडिया। तार आंसर इज डॉक्टर कलाम इज नोन एज द मिसाइल मैन ऑफ इंडिया for his outstanding contribution in the field of India's civilian space program and military missile development. Next, question number 3. Where was he born when? So, the answer is he was born on 15th October 1931 in a Tamil Muslim family at Rameswaram in the state of Tamil Nadu. Next, question number 4. Who were his family members? So, the answer is his parents, 3 elder brothers and 1 elder sister were his family members. Next, question number 5. Who were his father and mother? Answer is his father was Jainul Abdin and mother was Asiamma. Next, question number 6. What was his mother? So the answer is his mother was a housewife. Next, question number 7. How did his father earn his living? So the answer is his father earned his living by carrying Hindu pilgrims back and forth between Rameswaram and Dhanushkodi in his ferry.
नेक्स्ट देखो पिलाने क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, वी आर कालाम्स आंसेस्टर्स रिच और पोर। तापर ये गोटे पिलाने क्वेश्चन अच्छी ये छाड़ी से क्वेश्चन टे हूँ हाउ डू यू नो इट। तो तार आंसर है जो देखो Kalam's ancestors were rich. We knew it from the sentence. His ancestors had been wealthy traders and landowners.
Next, how did he add to his family? Answer is he added to his family by selling newspaper. Next, question number 10. What was the third paragraph about? Answer is the third paragraph is about Kalam's elementary education. Next, question number 11. Where did he get his primary education? The answer is he got his primary education at Ramnathpuram. Next, question number 12. Who was his science teacher? The answer is Shiva Subramanya Iyer was his science teacher. Next, what was he like? Answer is he was very loving and affectionate. Next, question number 14. What did he invite Kalam for? Answer is he invited Kalam for a meal. Next, question number 15. How did his wife react to it? Answer is his wife disliked it and refused to serve a Muslim child like Kalam. Question number 16. What changed her attitude? Answer is Kalam's behavior, his way of taking the meal and cleaning the floor changed her attitude. Next, question number 17. How did she behave him later? तो आंसर is later on when her husband invited Kalam for the second time, she welcomed him and served him food herself. Next, question number 18. Who does he in the third sentence of para 3 refer to? Answer is he in the third sentence of para 3 refers to Kalam's science teacher Shiva Subramanya Iyer. Next, the fourth paragraph is about his dash. Answer is secondary education and higher education. Next, was he good at studies at the high school? Answer is in his school years he had average grades, but he was considered a bright and hardworking student who had a strong desire to learn. Next, तापरे question number 21. What was Kalam's dream in life? Answer is Kalam's dream in life was to become a pilot. Next, question number 22. What did he do to fulfill his dream in life? The answer is he applied for studying engineering at the Madras Institute of Technology to fulfill his dream in life. Next, question number 23. Do you have any dream? How can you fulfill your dream in your life? तो यहाँ तुम मैंने निजे कर पिलाने से क्वेश्चन रे कहूँ तुमर किसी ड्रीम अच्छी कि तो से ड्रीम को तुम फुलफिल करने कौन कर एटा तुम निजर टास्क जे जहाँ हाँवाई चाहूच किए डॉक्टर किए साइंटिस्ट किए इंजीनियर जहाँ भी हम तुम लिख आकु फुलफिल करने तुम कौन कर तुम लिख तेणु यहाँ तुम निजे कर What problem did he face for his admission into engineering? The course fee for his admission into engineering his करियो पिलाने. The course fee for his admission into engineering was around 1,000 rupees, but he did not have it. That was the problem he faced at the time for his admission. Next, question number 25. Who came to his help and how? Answer is Asim Johra, his compassionate elder sister, came to his help. She mortgaged her gold ornaments and provided money for his admission. Question number 26. When did he complete his aerospace engineering? तो तारो आंसर है he completed his aerospace engineering in 1960. Next. Question number 27. Name the institution where he got. तो तारो आंसर है secondary education क्यों कंप्लीट करते ना स्क्वाज हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल ग्रेजुएशन इन फिजिक्स तो क्यों करते ना सेंट जोसेफ्स कॉलेज तिरुचिरापल्ली तापर नेक्स्ट होची एरोस्पेस इंजीनियरिंग मद्रास इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी नेक्स्ट तापर देखो पिलाने क्वेश्चन नंबर 28 द पैराग्राफ 5 एंड पैराग्राफ 6 डिस्क्राइब डॉक्टर कलाम्स कैरियर एज डैश कौन हो डैश रे तार आंसर है एन एरोस्पेस साइंटिस्ट नेक्स्ट Question number 29. How did he began his career? तो आंसर है he began his career as a trainee at the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited in Bangalore. Next. तापर question number 30. Where was he appointed as a scientist first? तो आंसर है he was appointed as a scientist first in the Defense Research Development Organization, that is DRDO. Next. तापर question number 31. When did he start his work in the Indian Space Research Organization? The answer is he started his work in the Indian Space Research Organization in 1969. Next देखो question number 32. What was the purpose of satellite launch vehicle? Answer is the purpose of satellite launch vehicle was to develop the technology to launch satellites. Next question number 33. When was the first Rohini satellite launched into the orbit? The answer is the first Rohini satellite was launched into the orbit in 1980. Next तापर question number 34. How many years did Kalam spend in the ISRO? तो आंसर है Kalam spent 19 years in the ISRO. Next question number 35. Where did he take the leading role in the development of India's missile and nuclear weapons program? Answer is Kalam took the leading role in the development of India's missile and nuclear weapons program in DRDO. Next, तापर question number 36. What made him extremely popular in the country? Answer is Kalam's contribution for the development of 4 missiles, namely Prithvi, Trishul, Akash and Nag, made him extremely popular in the country. Next question number 37. What was he called after the success of 4 missiles, Prithvi, Trishul, Akash and Nag? तो तार आंसर है हाँ देखो पिलाने तो तार आंसर है he was popularly called the missile man of India after success of 4 missiles, namely Prithvi, Trishul, Akash and Nag. Next question number 38. Why did he camp in Rajasthan's Thor desert? तो तार आंसर है he camped in Rajasthan's Thor desert to supervise the Pokhran 2 nuclear tests.
नेक्स्ट देखो पिलाने क्वेश्चन नंबर 39. What according to Dr. Kalam was the defining moment in the history of our country? हाँ देखो पिलाने तार आंसर है according to Dr. Kalam the success of Pokhran 2 nuclear test in Rajasthan's Thor desert was the defining moment in the history of our country.
Next question number 40. Why was it very hard to camp in Rajasthan Thor desert? Answer is it was very hard to camp in Rajasthan's Thor desert because it was hot day and the temperature at Pokhran was 53 degrees Celsius. Next question number 41. What are Kalam's contributions for India's defense program? तो आंसर हो Kalam took the leading role in the development of India's missile and nuclear weapons. Those were his contribution for India's defense program. Next, question number 42. Dr. Kalam was the chief scientific advisor to Dash of India. Answer is the Prime Minister. Dash लिखियो the Prime Minister. हला. Next, question number 43. ताले question number 42 वाला. तापर देखो 43. What awards and honors was Kalam honored with? तो answer is Kalam was honored with the Padma Bhushan in 1981, the Padma Vibhushan in 1990, and the nation's highest civilian honor, the Bharat Ratna in 1997 by the government of India. Next, question number 44. What is the highest civilian award of our country? The answer is the highest civilian award of our country is the Bharat Ratna. Next, question number 45. How did Kalam pass away? Answer is Kalam passed away due to massive cardiac arrest. Next, question number 46. Why will people of our country remember Kalam forever? Answer over the people of our country will remember Kalam forever for his dedication, devotion and selfless service to the nation. Next, question number 47. What qualities of Dr. Kalam do you like very much? Answer is I very much like Kalam's dedication, devotion and selfless service to the nation. Question number 48. Can you say the names of some eminent scientists who have contributed a lot to our country? The answer is yes. They are C.V. Raman. Yes, they are C.V. Raman, Vikram Sarabhai, Satyendra Nath Bose, Srinivasa Ramanujan, हमी जहांगीर भाभा. तो ये होचंती किछि हमर प्रोमिनेंट साइंटिस्ट हला. तो तुमे जदि आहुरी जानिछ साइंटिस्ट मानक नाम एठी लिखि परिबो हला. मु ए पांचटी लिखि दैछि. तो ये थिला द मिसाइल मैन ऑफ इंडिया रो क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन. टेक्स्ट बुक रे जतकी भी क्वेश्चन अछि से गुडी को सब हमें डिस्कशन कर देले. तो पिला माने जदि वीडियोटी भल लागिछि वीडियोटी गोटे लाइक करो एवं निजर सांग साथी मान सहित शेयर करो एवं आम चैनल पर जदि न आम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो एवं पाखरे थिया घंटी आइकन को मध्य दबाई दियो. फल आम जिते वीडियो अपलोड करू तार नोटिफिकेशन संगे संगे तुम मोबाइल को चली जियो. फल तुम ताको सहजरे वॉच कर परियो. तेणु यथाशीघ्र आम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करनियो एवं पाखरे थिया घंटी आइकन को मध्य दबाई दियो. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स. हैव ए नाइस डे.